Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on the Smart Life application on your device in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your Smart Life application on your phone. Now, when you are inside on the home page, you will be shown all the devices that are connected. So make sure that the device that you want to control is already connected here. It should be online and it should be responding properly inside the application. Now you need to tap on the smart device that you want to add a timer to, and this can work for the smart lights, for the smart plugs, fans, switches, or any other type of smart life compatible devices. Now inside the device settings, you just have to look for the option of timer, or it should be with the name schedule or countdown depending on the type of application version you are currently using. So when you tap on the add timer option inside the device, you just have to choose the exact time, the days of the week, and whether the device should turn on and off. And this way you will be able to basically save the changes and set the timer. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.